You guys, the fresh cut. Look at how cute she is. I'm obsessed. I feel like it just feels more fresh and more like fall. But now we are going into the color portion of the day. I'm also filming for TikTok right now, so that's why I've got my mini mic on. My matcha overnight oats, so good. Let's throw some banana in there. I also brought some raspberries. Okay, period. Bone apple tea.
Wow, you guys.
I know, I've got the whole, I know, it's a lot.
That.
How long have you been doing hair?
I've been doing hair since I was a little boy. Used to steal Barbie Beauty Salon
I love that.
and do hair color. And then I would roll perms with my mom like in the 80s. Went to college, did something totally different, moved to Madrid, Spain. Stayed there for 16 years. And then I started doing freelance hair, learning on my own, club kids in the 90s. And then I came back here in 2008. I got a job in Beverly Hills and
The rest is history.
the rest is history. Because your hair is so naturally dark, over time, just with the water in LA and being in the sun all the time, it's going to go warmer than you want it. I'll do what I think is best for you.
I trust you, and I know I'll pull it off. You just gotta wear it like, yeah, exactly. There's no other way but to slay. Oh my god, I'm drinking Tinashe. Oh really? It's yours. You have to. What? Oh, this is so crazy. My face, you guys. Oh my gosh. Sweet, just like me. Not too sweet though. Hi. So we're here at Amazon Music. Tinashe's live right now. So we're gonna interview Tinashe now. I had to practice my question. Hi Tinashe.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm doing great. How are you?
Amazing. Thank you so much, Tinashe.
Follow me. I have 5 followers.
Oh, what's up? How you doing? Nice to see you again.
is gonna be amazing. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Of course. Like, we did that. Yes, we did that. We did that. Thank you so much. It's nice to meet you. We're good? So, yeah, let's bring the blue. Okay, guys, this is like our little VIP party room. Oh, period with some champagne. Okay. Tinashe, party, don't play, slay all day.
Hi guys, I just got back from the Jungle concert, the Amazon Music, Tinashe, interviewing her. It was incredible. Not all my days are like this, but I'm just getting ready for bed now because it's been a super duper long day. I'm like this close to having a snack right now because I didn't really eat dinner and I'm so hungry. Tomorrow is going to be quite a fun day. Tomorrow we're getting our nails done. I definitely feel like this side of my face is not as snatched as this side of my face. This part, I love how this feels like right down this way. It just feels so good. Night cream, I think today I'm gonna use the Dermalogica. Let me just set you guys down here for a second. But this is the Stabilizing Repair Cream. It's time for this little chickadee to go to bed. I will see you guys manons. Bye. Good morning, you guys. So I just had a call with a brand this morning. I worked out this morning, took a shower, washed my hair. Babiana is looking cute. She's looking cute straight. I like how she looks straight. I'm just making myself some lunch and also some breakfast all at the same time. I just had a protein waffle. This is the Bonza brand, their blueberry protein waffle. I bought it a couple days ago at Whole Foods and I really like protein waffles because they're just so much easier to eat. I've got pesto, tomato, avocado, some sardines. I feel like this is a mess. Some mozzarella. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't know the best way to cut this, so we're just gonna go for it. Look at that. Yum. Bro. That's fire, chef. That's fire. I'm gonna enjoy this off cam. I'll be back. I didn't take my vlogging camera with me to the nail salon, or really like after I ate, I just kind of checked out for a second. I was really exhausted mentally, and I was like, I have this nail appointment. I really want to be present and just enjoy getting my nails done. So that's what I did. I picked up some food and I wanted to show you guys what I got. I don't know if you've ever seen this before, but this is Wacko. It's tonkatsu. I don't know how to say that in Korean or in English, but I'm gonna eat this. I'm gonna watch some Gossip Girl, and then I'm just really gonna call it a night for myself. So yeah, I'm gonna enjoy my meal and I will see you guys later. Hi guys, we made it to the TY headquarters. I'm gonna take you guys along with me before we start the live, give you a little behind the scenes, in my seams, behind the scenes, period. I'm wearing the TY maxi dress because you know we had to represent, and we've got the TY mini drift toe in black. I added a few little like shoelaces just to keep it cute and casual to match also my off-white Jordan 4s. Yeah, so that's the fit today, but let's go inside and I'll take you guys behind the scenes.
How did we do?
I would say 10 out of 10. Maybe I would say no notes, but I have a few notes for myself.
Oh, really?
Not for you though. I have no notes for you.
I have no
You did
notes for
great.
you. The QVC was QVC.
I think you're meant to be on live.
Really?
I do.
Oh my gosh, you heard it here first. If Katie says so, then
I think so.
yeah.
I don't think anybody would argue with it either.
Y'all better not. Just play. Well, we had the best time. Thank you, 30 years. Thank you, Katie.
Thanks for coming.
So we're on our way to a beauty event. We're going to Huda, who knows, high school. This is my sister Jared. I don't think you guys have seen her on the vlog yet. But this whole week is just like events and kind of work things. That's what this whole vlog is, just so you know. Because you might be like, well, where's your regular life where you like eat and sleep and wash your face? You won't really be seeing that in this video. We can't do that when we're working so much, you know, when we get our bag. We're in our bag right now, but I'll show you guys my full outfit when we get there. But it's for the Easy Bake and Snatch powder. I did use it today, so we'll see if it is easy and if it's snatching me and if it's baking me. And apparently we're supposed to be doing like field day type things. Like if it's a whole workout, like that's what we're doing. We're also planning the next Saturday social club, which we're really excited about. And there's just so many different things in motion right now that it's just been really exciting just to be like busy. And I'm so blessed and grateful that I even get to be busy, because I know that that's not the case for everybody. So super excited, super grateful. But I'll see you guys at Huda. Is it Huda or Huda, Jer?
I would say Huda.
It's Huda?
Huda? I think Huda.
I think it's Huda.
I don't know.
Okay, I'm gonna ask her and we will confirm on the vlog.
Okay, we're here at Huda Beauty and we're gonna do a little outfit change. Huda High. Is it Huda or Huda? Huda? It's Huda. Okay. Huda High, yes. Huda. So I've been saying it wrong this entire day. I literally was like, is it Huda or Huda, you guys? Hello. Are we ready to go? Should we do it, pink team? Let's do this. At Disneyland California Adventure for the first time. Oh, it's hot. I think I get some sauce on there.
Little one, I'm curious about the technology you adorn yourself with. If there's any of it hidden within that mask
Wait,
of yours.
it's so good.
I'm telling you.
Oh my
You
god.
will.
Wait, okay, wait.
To the San Francisco Institute of Technology.
So good. So good.
so I didn't film an ending to this vlog, but as I was editing it, I just wanted to wrap up and say thank you so much for watching. I am so excited because I'm already working on the next vlog, and I just am really excited that I'm back on YouTube, and I feel like I've just got so many different video ideas that I'm ready to just push out for you guys, and I'm on this regular YouTube schedule now, so I'm super excited. Stay tuned for all the content. The next video will kind of be more of a personal one where we're just chatting on why it was so difficult for me to post on YouTube, so I hope you stay tuned for that. But if you're not interested, the one after that is another vlog. So I will see you guys in my next video, and thank you so much for watching. God bless you, and I love you. Bye.